Hi guys, welcome to my channel Himanshi's Heavenly Hacks. So today I am going to talk about and show you this look. It's got very simple look using 4 products, and also this look is created without having any foundation base concealer on. This is just with the BB cream and 4 products which I showed you from the brand Sugar Cosmetics. And if you wanted to know how I created this look and how it goes well on any outfit, salwar suit, or on sari as well, or wherever you go, then let's get just started. So these are the 4 products what I have, and I'm going to discuss with you today, and also let you know how I created this look. So in this is all from Sugar Cosmetics, and this is something new which I'm trying. I have already tried Sugar lipsticks, and I feel these are the best lipsticks when you're looking for long lasting lipstick. If anyone out there ask me about any one brand which has got long lasting lipstick, then I would definitely suggest you Sugar Cosmetics, and you can buy this from Nykaa, purple.com, Amazon, Myntra, anywhere. So today what we are talking about is the Sugar Cosmetic lipstick. I'll tell you in the detail in the video. And then we have the Sugar Cosmetics BB cream, and then I have the highlighter palette from Sugar, and also this huge eye and face palette, which is my favorite, I feel. And you can see how my eyes look. It's simple, decent, and just warm tone. So this I created with just this, which you'll get to know in the video when I start. All these 4 which I just showed you would be sufficient enough to create a face makeup. And if you are someone who don't want to spend more in too many products and getting many products, then I can tell you that you can just buy a lipstick, a BB cream, and then just this palette. You can skip the highlighter palette which I showed you. If you just buy these 3 also, your look would be done. As you can see how I have done, you don't need anything else. Even this look would be best for festival or wedding if you are at it. Without further ado, I quickly wanted to show you how I created this look, so let's jump into the video. Okay guys, so let's move on to the makeup quickly. Before starting my makeup, I would love to moisturize my face. So I am using today Drops of Light from the Body Shop. So as you see, this is a moisturizer, and you can also use it as your primer, and it's a really good serum. So it comes in this dropper formula. So if you have got dull skin and you need little bit of brightness, actually a lot of brightness, and you are looking for one serum or moisturizer which provides you brightness to the face and treats the dull skin, treats also the spots, then this moisturizer or serum is extremely good. It does amazing job. So I'm just using this from past few months, and it's really amazing. And maybe if you just wanted to buy this, you can surely buy if you're dealing for those concerns which I just discussed, and it's really good. You can order this from their outlet or also online. I'm just done with the moisturization on. As I discussed before, I'm not going to use any foundation base or concealer today. I will only be using Sugar Cosmetics. This is called BB cream SPF 30 Goddess of Flawless. So let's see how it works. I'm trying this for the first time, so even I don't know how this would be working on my skin. So I'm just taking few drops here. This looks like this. Yeah, like so. So the shade for this is Cappuccino 15 Light. Yeah, like so. So just to tell you the texture, it's really moussey in texture. If you see, this is very moussey in texture. Yeah. So you won't even get to know, it's very lightweight also. So you won't even get to know that you have got something on. I'll blend this in. Guys, if you are looking for coverage specifically when we use foundation and concealer, color corrector for your spots and all that, so you need coverage for that. You need to build up if you are attending any event, festival, parties. However, if I talk about this cream, this is quite sheer. It is not even providing medium coverage. it's good that I don't need so much of a coverage, so it's fine. So you know, if you just wanted a daily wear something, any of the BB cream, this is best. And also just to tell you, this is sheer, it will not provide you much of a coverage. If you are okay with that, then you surely you can go ahead with that, but this is my go-to favorite, so I think you can surely invest in this. So let's move on to eyes first, and then we will cover our face later. So I will be using this palette, as I discussed before, Sugar into Wonder Woman mixed palette. So this is how it looks. And I had outer covering on that, the plastic sheet which comes. So this is how it is. So the two brushes what I had, I just kept it somewhere because I would not be needing that. I have better brushes than that. So let's try, you know, how we are gonna do our eyes. So what I will do first, I will take this shade. This is peach shade, and this would also be providing a good base to my eyelid, and also that will suit to my dress. This buffing brush, put that in and apply all over. So can you see, I am just providing base to my eyes so that I can set other colors too. So you need, if you are buying any eye palette, just ensure that you have any sort of base. If not this, then any in brown or peach or maybe in cream, because you have to provide base to your eyes first, then you can just build up the colors. Okay, so moving on, what I want now is, I'll tell you, I just wanted here the inner corner of my eyes till middle light shade, and then outer corner I want little dark. So what I'll do, I'll be taking the concealer. This is Makeup Revolution concealer. You can use any concealer to, I'm using this because I just wanted the light color to pop out well. So here we will take and we will go till half, only till half, and then take the palette and use the light shade, which is this one. I'll use my fingers just to set that here. This trick really works well. What I'll do, I'll take the darker shade. So I will just take this shade, dark shade, put it here and blend that in. Yeah, like so. I'll also blend that one more time with the brush, but first I just wanted to finish here and match both. Till half. Now again taking the light shade, now I'm just taking the dark shade. Don't forget, we have to blend this really well, so I will just do it in a bit blending brush, and I would blend this in like so. Just put it here and blend this in. So what I would do is, I would take this copper shade little bit, and I will just place it here in the center and blend this in to give intensity and depth to my eyes. Yeah. Now In this palette we also have the highlighter, so I would highlight inner corner of my eyes. So I will take this highlighter, I'll take my finger, last finger, and then just put it here, so that your inner corners are highlighted and it does not look dark, like so. Taking this small brush, and I'll just take this copper color and I would put it the lower lashes. I am not using any kajal, so I just wanted to highlight that too. My eyes are done and I wanted to give some color to my face, so let's move on to the same sugar palette. And as I discussed before, I have got this bronzer out here and the blush and highlighter, so I'll be using these only to give, you know, cutting to my face or contouring and blushes. I'm just taking this contouring brush and put this in. So by the way, this is highly pigmented, so you just have to be quite sure to use this. Just taking this powder and running out here to my jawline. Blush brush, and just this blush is, by the way, very nice nude blush, and this is my favorite color. I just love these blushes which are like in pastel colors. Little bit. I mentioned, highlighter is given out here, but I would be using different palette. So this is the sugar highlighter palette what I have. So packaging is really nice. It comes as a cardboard packaging, you can see, and this is very sturdy, and you have got 3 shades of highlighter out here. So I'll swatch this for you and show you first. You can see out here you have got pinkish, then silver and gold highlighter. I feel that this highlighter has got so much of shimmer that you cannot use it on regular basis. However, you are going for any wedding function or any of the event, then you can surely use this because it gives you so much of highlight effect. And I just feel that according to me, it does not give you the effect which you wanted. If you know, it glows, your skin glows from within, so it looks a little bit of artificial. However, the shades are really amazing, really good for functions. So in my suggestion, if you are going out somewhere to attend any function, you can use any shades from this. I'm gonna show you how it looks on my face. I'll be using the rose color. Yeah, you can see how shimmery it is, but the glow is really good. So for any occasion, I feel this is really good. Last but not the least, let's move on to the lips. So this Sugar Smudge Me Not lipstick, I'm so sorry, the cap, it just came off from my hand. However, the shade is really beautiful. The shade is, I think, 09. Just using it a little bit. Much is enough. If you feel like building it too much, you can do so. Yeah, just to tell you about this lipstick, guys, this lipstick is my favorite lipstick. If you are someone going for somewhere out and you want your lipstick to just stay and do not smudge for 8 to 9 hours, and if you eat something, then you can surely buy Sugar Cosmetic lipstick. This is really pigmented and really long lasting, so you should definitely have this lipstick in your vanity as per as my suggestion. And I have used this multiple times. If this, or you say suppose bullet lipsticks also from from Sugar Cosmetics. It stays for really long time. So I've just used it a little bit. If you wanted to build up this and you're going somewhere, you can just be free and eat whatever you want, and the lipstick is not going anywhere. So this is the final finished look, you guys. So this is how I got ready. I got this earring on. These earrings are handmade, which is, you know, made by my friend. So I think that suits my dress, and the makeup also goes well. Makeup is very light. As you know, I have not used any base, any concealer, even not even primer, nothing. It's just a simple BB cream and the palette which I showed you from Sugar. So I feel this look is very easy to carry in any festivals, even in the wedding or function events for that matter. And this is very lightweight. Sometimes I feel that I am not wearing anything on. I hope you enjoyed this overall tutorial and like this look, and if you did, then please subscribe to my channel and share this with your friends and family. Hit the notification bell so that you know you can get update of my upcoming videos, and whenever the video comes you can just have a look and enjoy. So thank you so much for giving me your valuable time and watching this video. Hope this was helpful somewhere. Please take care. Bye bye.